Hello everyone, how are you today and welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Melissa. In today's video, I will share to you my Niimbot D110 series smart thermal printer. You can download Niimbot app at App Store and Google Play. So basically, this is a thermal printer. Unfortunately, you can only have it in black color, but at least no need to buy an ink for this one. Your Niimbot printer comes with different colors as well. It has green, white, and pink. And the charger is Type C. And when you open your printer, it already comes with a free printer paper. Make sure to remove this Niimbot sticker first before using your printer. And this is how you put your Niimbot sticker paper. The white part should be facing downward. To start your printer, just simply long press the power button. I also purchased a Niimbot transparent printer paper and it looks like this one. So now that I finished downloading the app, let's just continue and turn on our Bluetooth and connect it to our printer. Your printer can automatically detect if you are using a transparent or a white paper sticker. Unfortunately, some features of the Niimbot app is not free, so it's up to you if you want to subscribe to their VIP subscriptions so you can use those different fonts. But for me, let's just use a simple one here. You can also use some of the icons like the emojis, borders. So this one is also free. Let's just design it like this. Oh, by the way, I found out another one here, another template, the barcode one, which looks so cute. You can adjust the density of the printer if you want it a little bit darker or lighter. And also, if you really like to add some images or cool icons, you can just download it in Google and save it in your phone, and you can add image like this one here. At least it's free. So this is what it looks like. Let me just go and change it to a clear one and see if it's really nice or not. So this icon is also free. You can find it in the app. What I love about this printer is it prints so fast and it's so pigmented. I love it. So I'm gonna go and stick with a clear one, I guess. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye!